Hello, Ifa here from Quinsing Auto. Today's video, I'm gonna show you about replacement of air suspension. If you're new to air suspensions, don't worry, we're gonna help you out. Here, in Quinsing Auto, we can help you to trace and check the air suspension problems. Many German imported cars such as Mercedes, Audi, BMW, Porsche, Jaguar, Lade, and Rolls-Royce had always faced the biggest concern about air suspension. So, let me show you the signs that car owners need to know in order to replace their old new air suspensions to the new one. This is a BMW X5 E70. This car is facing air leaking problem behind. What we do is by taking out the old airmatic and immerse in the water. As you can see, the bubbles will coming out from the air spring. This is how we detect that the old airmatic need to be replaced. You may wonder how this airmatic can be leaky, right? This is due to few causes. One of it, weather in certain country like Malaysia is extremely hot and thus affect the rubber material. Next is the way of driving behavior by roughly hit the bump road, and also due to not regularly start the car. To avoid all this, replace your old airmatic suspension to the Quinsing Auto brand. Quinsing Auto is certified by the ISO 9001 and have their very own specialist in air suspension. If this video can help you, don't forget to share and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video.